Welcome, in this video we are going to learn Trity tool installation and overview. Trity, it is an advanced pen testing framework dedicated to everything from vulnerability testing to cryptography. Let's git clone the trity.git, open the terminal and type git clone space https github.com toxic-ig trity.git. Cloning is started, receiving the object 100% done. Let's change the directory, then run the installer script. Type cd space trity sudo space python space install.py. The install.py script will install all of the necessary dependencies for us. Type 1 for Linux, Ubuntu, Raspbian OS. Here you can see that installation is loading. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Here you can see that finishing installation. Let's run Trity. Type Trity. First time it will ask, do you agree to these terms and condition? Type Y. Trity is started. That's it in this video. In next video we'll learn Trity function and Trity information gathering tool. Thank you for watching this video.